Ngucanio njeru ni yumiritie gatagati ka arutani na komishoni iria imandikite TSC iguru ria mishara, arutani makiuga kuri na mubango wa kweheria nyongerera yao ya o mwaka mushara-ini.
This increment is available to the teacher as a matter of right in the law. Is a matter of right in the law. And the withdrawal of a benefit is provocation for war.
Ndumiriri-ini ya kuri minista wa uruti wira wa muingi atongoria a kiama kia arutani NAT maugite matihariirie kugia na gikaro kingi na mumandiki kwaririria maundu maria maugite ni maiguithaniirie.
And our patience has run out. We are not going to negotiate these two matters anymore.
Mateta maya ma arimu maimanite na ngirimiti iria mekaniriire na mumandiki igie mirutire yao ya wira, ngirimiti iria marauga TSC ni yagararite.
TSC has also failed to recognize and compensate teachers who have attained higher qualification aimed at promotion and salary increment from the year 2014.
Kwaga uguo arutani aya maugite maya guthararia mutaratara wa githomo tamu yukite.
Ili programs mipangilio ya Minister of Education na mambo mengine mengi yasitatizike, kwa sababu tuna uwezo na nguvu na ari ya kuweza kuitatiza.
Arugamiriri aya marutete ndumiriri ino oriri thukuru ciregereirwo kuhingurwo kiumia giukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.
I think the national chairman hurried in the general comments. We are